Guys, this is Chris. I just bought me a pair of Beats, another one. I had the Studios, so I thought I might as well get a pair of in-ear ones. Apologize, but I'm using my phone because our camera broke. I'm using the front-facing camera too, so the quality's pretty bad. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Here we go. See? Well, you can't really see it because everything's like, you know. It looks like peyotes, something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Let's see. How the hell do I do this? If I can figure this out, I'll do it. Yeah, I really don't know how to open this. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, right there. Says really sound matters. There's everything else. That's everything that it comes with. Thank you for your purchase. Because everyone's ears are different, make sure to try out all the different sizes of ear tips. Only with the perfect size of ear tips will you enjoy a snug fit, a sound isolating seal, and maximum sound quality. Oh, thank you, Beats. Dang, they weren't playing. Look at all those different sizes. Oh, got a case for them. How do you even open this case? See, case, 3 Beats. Then I guess that's the book form. I don't even know. Customer support. Stuff you don't really, probably aren't going to pay attention to. I guess that's an instruction manual. I don't even know. But yeah, that's the inside of the box. Once you're done with it, you're pretty much done with that. Oh, that's a magnet. That's pretty snazzy. Everything the Beats comes with. So let's check it out. That's pretty long. You can see. Pretty long. And my dad just got home, so I'm probably gonna see him come in here. Let me see what size these are. But alright.
Chris,
What?
why the fuck you take the bag out?
Cuz?
I was taking your prescriptions to get them dropped off.
Oh, my bad.
No power?
Nope. Yeah, our power went out just a while ago because it's raining and it still hasn't come back on. Let me see, what is this thing? What is that? Looks like some kind of clip. Oh shit. And then you have all the many different ear sizes in there. Okay, that one's pretty cool. See it? It's like 3 different ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, check that out. If I can even take these off. Yeah, these are actually really hard to put on, apparently. Okay. See, check that out. Yeah. Like it said in the thing, there's a lot of different sizes, and I really don't feel like trying them all out, so I'm just going to use the ones that it was already in. So, yeah. I mean, maybe later, I'll eventually try them all out, just see how they feel. So yeah, I don't know if you heard, my boy Michael Phelps is retiring, greatest Olympian ever. Like 22 medals overall, 18 gold, 19 gold, something like that. It's pretty beast. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and try these bad boys out. So comment, do whatever, and then got any questions, comment section down there. Just go ahead and ask, and I'll answer. Peace.